everyone! Welcome back to Tech with Chick. My name is Chikku. In today's video, we are going to download and install the Python on your computer. Installing Python is very simple. It just takes few steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I am using Chrome. You may use any browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Go to Python official website by typing python.org in the address bar and hit enter. Then homepage of the Python website will be on your screen. Once you're on the homepage, click on the downloads. The website should automatically suggest the best version of your operating system. If you're on Windows, you will see a big yellow button saying Download Python 3.12.4. If you are Mac OS or Linux, it will suggest the appropriate version for you. At present, Python 3.12.4 is the latest version. If you're seeing this video after some days, it may suggest the latest version at that time. Click on Download. As soon as you click on the yellow button, you will see that .exe file will start downloading. Guys, Python 3.13 is going to release on October 2024. It does not have much difference from the present version. In version 3.13, small bugs will get fixed and release the version. You will notice almost no changes in the new version. After downloading, Chrome will show that the download is completed. If you are unable to see like this in the Chrome, then go to Downloads folder in uSystem and find the Python installer file. It should be named like Python 3.12.4.exe. Double-click on the installer to open it and click on Install Now. Installation process had started and takes some time to get installed. After completing the installation, you will see a message showing Setup is successful. Then click on Close button. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy coding!